Hi, I'm going to make the trotter ginger stew. I have about 20 ounces of trotter, about 8 ounces of ginger, and about 6 of boiled egg. And I have 3 cups of sweet vinegar sauce. It look like this. And I got 3 cups of bad vinegar. Okay, then I'm going to put the trotter in the hot boiling water first. Put it in it and let them cook. And for the ginger, I'm going to stir fry the ginger. But ginger, I don't put any oil, nothing in it. I just put it right like this. And brown them. I'm going to cover a little bit so make the heat stronger. And I'm going to put 3 cups of sweet vinegar and 3 cups of the black white vinegar in it. I think that Chinese people usually cook this order is for their lady after they have a baby. So they make the order for them to make the go back and more energy. The trotter about ready now. So I'm going to remove it and put it in here. Okay, the ginger about ready too, so I'm going to remove all the ginger. I'm going to put oil in here. And you cook about 1 hour. Okay, this is already for an hour. See the pig feet, they are really tender. So I'm going to remove it. Then I'm going to put all the egg in it. The best way is don't eat it right away. You leave it overnight and they really tasty after that. They kind of taste kind of sweet and sour. Okay, this is look all good. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to turn off all the heat and pour all the sauce in it. Okay, this is all ready. This is the trotter ginger stew.